Alright, this is your last chance. New ink. Comes up with empty. Try and print anyway. Oh. Okay, somebody's got a date with the ute. Righto, Mr. Cannon, I'm going to tell you this one time and one time only. If when on the computer I press print and you print and don't jam and make a nice copy, you and I are going to get along just fine. And when you run out of ink and I buy the proper ink and put it inside you, if you recognise that cartridge and then print again, there won't be any problems at all, and we're going to get on so well together and have so much fun. But if you don't, this is what happens to you. Okay, so don't say you haven't been warned. I see we have an understanding.